Welcome to Tactical Arbitrage. In this video, we will walk you through the options located in the Keys tab of your settings page. Inside, you will see two main sections, VAT Status and Other Keys. The VAT Status area displays registration options for specific EU countries. When you update your status here, the system automatically adjusts product prices to match. For example, if you are VAT registered in the UK and want to scan your results to reflect that, simply enable the UK status. You can do the same for any other regions listed in this section. Moving to the Other Keys section, there is a field to enter your Tactical Bucket license key. Because Tactical Bucket is a standalone service separate from Tactical Arbitrage, please contact Javier at hello@tacticalbucket.com for more information. That covers the Keys tab. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at support@tacticalarbitrage.com.